Welcome to our YouTube channel Kitchen Arts. Now we are going to make the yummy chicken Malai Masala. First we should heat the pan and after we should pour 2 tablespoons of oil. And after heating the pan, and we should take the fresh chicken, and heating the oil we should add the fresh chicken into that. And just saute for just 2 minutes. Saute the chicken into right to left. And after put the flame into high for just 5 minutes until the chicken get fried. Let's make the masala for the gravy. Put some onions into the mixing jar and 4 to 5 green chillies into the mixing jar and blend into a smooth paste. Wow, yummy chicken is getting ready, fried chicken. Until the paste gets ready, the masala, add some ginger garlic paste into the chicken and some turmeric powder also to get the color for the chicken. Little bit, not more. Just add a little bit of turmeric powder and the ginger garlic paste. Why? Because we should add and just saute the chicken for just 1 minute. And let's see how the paste happens. Oh wow! Onion, green chilies paste. This is a gravy which we are going to add in the curry. Let's see. The chicken is ready. Let's off the stove and keep aside. And for making the gravy, we should take another pan, like kadai. Sorry, should take another kadai. And we should add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is in the medium heat, add the onion paste and chili paste into the oil. Keep frying the paste into 10 minutes on the low flame. We should not keep the high flame. It will burn. Once paste changes the color, put off the flame. This is more important. Put off the flame and just wait 1 minute. And add some glass of milk into that masala. And stir it for few minutes. Switch on the heat. Switch on the heat. Back to the flame. We should keep medium flame. This is more important. And we should add the masalas into the gravy. Now add some cumin powder into the gravy and some garam masala powder into the gravy and some black pepper powder into the gravy. And we should add some salt to taste. And we should add some coriander leaves, finely chopped coriander leaves. And we should strain for few minutes. Getting ready. Malai. Once the oil gets separates, we should add the chicken pieces into the gravy which we have fried before. The yummy chicken pieces. And we should saute for just 2 minutes the chicken pieces. Add the mint leaves at the top of the chicken. The yummy chicken Malai Masala is ready. Into your bowl. Let's off the flame.